Welcome back to Miss Teacher Tube with Janice Leong. On today's episode, we're going to be learning more about more, less, and fewer. Last time we learned what those words mean, but on today's episode, we're going to learn about how many more, how many less, how many fewer, and how to work that out when we're counting objects. Or, well, today we're not going to be doing objects. We're going to be actually just working with numerals to try figure out this math concept. I have lots of activities for you on today's episode, so let's get started. Now let's do the same thing with numbers. 8 is how many more than 5? So let's find 8, and let's go from 8 back to 5. There's 5. So let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is 1, 2, 3 more than 5. That would be our answer. So 8 is 3 more than 5. Here's a new problem. 9 is how many more than 5? Let's find the 9. 9. And let's go back to 5. Okay, let's do some counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is 4 more than 5. So 9 is 4 more than 5. Welcome back. Here's another way to work out similar problems. So here, when I want you to do these problems, I want you to write out the number line 1 to 10 and then the problem. And then we'll use that little number line to help us work out and find the answer. So for this one, 7 is blank more than 4. So how much bigger is 7? How many more is 7 than 4? Okay, well, let's start at 4. Let's find our 4. That's our starting place. We're not going to circle that one because that's just going to be where we start counting. We want to go 7 is blank more than 4. Well, let's start at 4 and count up to 7. 5, 6, 7. So 7 is 1, 2, 3 more than 4. 3 circles, 3 more. Let's try this one. 10 is blank more than 4. Okay, well, let's find our 4. We want to figure out how much bigger 10 is. Well, don't circle the 4. That's just our starting place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, it's quite a bit more. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more than 4. Okay, I have some problems coming up for you. Pause the video and solve the problems, and you can check your work on the next slide. We'll see you soon. Welcome back. Here's another way to work out how many more. Now here I want you to pretend that you are at home and you're cleaning up your toy box. And you have a whole bunch of balls that you need to put in your toy box. Some are already there, some are scattered around, but we need to get them all into the box. Here's the box, our toy box. We have 6 balls already in the box. we've got to add these to it. So we're going to count up from the 6. Ready? You're going to do the same thing on the next slide, so try to count with me. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Blank balls in all. Well, I'll put them all together and we get 9. 9 is 3 more than 6. Well, there's 9. It is 1, 2, 3 more than 6. Okay, let's do the next one together. We have got 3 balls already in our toy box. Oh, we need to collect another 4 balls. Let's count up from the 3. 3, the next number is 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, balls all together. Well, all together we have 7 balls. So 7 is 4 more than 3. Well, let's check. 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4 more than 3. Okay, you go on to the next slide, pause it, do your work, and then you can check it on the slide after that. I'll see you soon. Welcome back. Okay, let's take a look at the difference between more or less than and fewer. So we're going to look at the difference between 5 and 3. And I've drawn 2 number lines here to help us do that. So first of all, we want to figure out how much bigger 5 is than 3. So how many more does 5 have? So to do that, we're going to start at the smaller number. We never circle our starting place, and we're going to count up and circle. So 3, 4, 5. So we could say that 5 is 2 more than 3. Let's look at it in reverse. How many fewer does 3 have than 5? How many less does 3 have than 5? So we're going to go in reverse. We'll go backward. We'll start with the bigger number. Again, we never circle our starting place, and we're going to count backward. So 5, 4, 3. So we could say 3 is 2 less than 5, or 2 fewer than 5. Let's look at it a different way. Here our problem is, what number is 5 less than 20? So here's our number line. We're going to start at 20. We want to figure out what number is 5 less. We're going to count backward 5 and circle 5 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our answer. 15 is 5 less than 20. So 15 is 5 less than 20. If only my marker would work. That's the best I can do, boys and girls. So there we go. 5 backward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can say 15 is 5 less than 20. Well, that's all for today's episode on Miss Teacher Tube. Today we learned a lot about how to tell how much more one quantity is than another. Again, if you at any time need more practice with any of these skills, please rewatch my videos as much as you need to. Maybe work at home with mom, dad, or a big brother and sister to help you. That's all for this episode. Again, if these videos are helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.